Okay, I've got a really nice Hustler Raptor 42-inch. This thing looks, starts, runs, and operates like new. Doesn't have an hour meter. Most of these Raptors don't. But as you can see, the deck, everything on it is real clean. It's got a fabricated commercial style deck. It's got the 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki V-twin motor. And tires look good, front tread looks good, seats good. There's really nothing wrong with this mower at all. I'll start it up, and I mean, even here, you almost got no scrapes on the actual deck there. It's been used so lightly. Fire it up for you. Oop. Engine runs super smooth. No problems at all. I'll rev it up for you. My yard is mowed. You can see right here where it's mowed again. They got the deck nice and low on it. We'll hit this area and show you how it cuts. See, cuts real good, nice and level. It is real wet out here, and I'm cutting real low, so it's piling up a little bit, but mows great. Operates like brand new. Turn the blades off. Idle it back down for you. Idle super smooth. Great mower here.